Hi everyone, I'm Amiel Chesel Alcantara, and I'll be your teacher for this video. I'm really excited to learn and grow with all of you. I'm hoping na sana may maintindihan kayo sa video na. So let's start. But first, we need to pray. Let's bow our heads and lead the presence of the Lord. Dear God, guide us as we explore the world of philosophy. Grant us wisdom, curiosity, and open minds. Help us to think critically and reflect deeply. May our studies bring us closer to truth and understanding. Amen. Our lesson for today is Lesson 2, Elements of Freedom. Our objectives for today is number 1, define the concept of freedom and explain its importance in human life. Number 2, identify the different elements or components of freedom. Number 3, analyze real-life situations that demonstrate the proper and improper uses of freedom. But first, let's have a pre-test. I will give you 30 seconds to answer this one. So, ang sagot po natin dito sa test na to ay number 1, freedom. 2, voluntariness. 3, responsibility. So, let's define what is freedom. Freedom. In philosophy, freedom means the ability of a person to think, choose, and to act according to their own will, with awareness and responsibility. It's not just about doing whatever you want. It's about making choices based on reason and understanding of what is good or right. But why is it important? Freedom is important to human life because it allows people to make choices, grow, and live with dignity and purpose. Without freedom, we can't truly express who we are or reach our full potential. There are 2 elements of freedom, voluntariness and responsibility. Voluntariness is the ability of a person to act out of his or her own free will and self-determination. To act even if he or she is not required of called to take action. Free acts which can assign a corresponding moral values. So, ang voluntariness po, ito po ang pagtulong ng isang tao na walang hininging kapalit. O hindi dahil sa inutusan siya or accountable siya sa action na iyon. Responsibility. Being accountable for his, her, or her action and their consequence. Taking accountant for his or her own action or being responsible to the other people. All ng responsibility ay ang paggala mo na kasama ng iyong mga kaibigan. Responsibilidad mo na umuwi sa itinakda na oras ng iyong mga magulang. In conclusion, freedom is made up of 2 important elements, voluntariness and responsibility. Voluntariness allow a person to act freely based on their own free will, while responsibility ensures that they are accountable for the result of their actions. True freedom, therefore, is not just doing what one wants, but doing it with awareness, purpose, and accountability. So let's have our post-test. Let's read our directions and answer the questions. answer for this question is number 1, voluntariness or V. Number 2, voluntariness or V again. And number 3 is R, responsibility. And that is all. Thank you.
That